fun, so come with me. I'm gonna share a day with an esthetician, and I haven't shared in a while, so I'm super excited about doing this. So stay tuned. Okay, so I just cleansed my face, and now I'm gonna put some sunscreen on. Did I say I just cleansed and moisturized? I'm gonna put some sunscreen. So I'm using the Ulta MD skincare, which is very popular in the aesthetic community. So this one is the tinted. Excuse my little mess, but I saw this technique that you put it on your index finger and on your middle finger, like 2 lines across, like, and I put it on my face. You can definitely put this like I pair with some makeup, but it's definitely optional, like what kind of day you're gonna have and everything, so it depends. I'm gonna add a little more for my neck. It definitely depends on the day, the type of day you're gonna have. Like if you want to wear makeup that day or not, you know, since it's a busy day, like it's kind of like, why wear makeup? Because I'm gonna be wearing a mask, so I'm just like, I don't think I'm gonna be like, I don't think I'm gonna put concealer on or anything. But yeah, all right, I'm all done, and I'm wearing my little scrubs from Amazon. So there was a point that I was wearing the figs, the wear figs, but I outgrew them, so getting another pair was gonna be expensive, especially getting the New Balance as well. So I did get some New Balance, but I got some more, like, you know, budget friendly ones, not so new. So I'm gonna try to stop peace signing you guys, but anyway, I'm gonna show them to you when I get all dressed up. Okay, so I decided to pair it off with my bag and then my New Balance shoes, which I love. Okay, I didn't realize how small it is in here. I am so close to my daughter. Okay, she said no, girl, we don't want pictures. Hey, ¿por qué te pones así? No te estoy grabando, no te estoy grabando. Me estoy grabando a mí. But anyway, we stopped by some McDonald's. I'm getting a mocha frappe. She's getting a Happy Meal. Like days like that I have to go to work, I normally don't cook because I wouldn't have enough time. Maybe in the morning, you know, sometimes I do, but when I'm running behind, I don't. So I have about an hour right now before I have to go into work, but still, I'm really early today actually. But I normally wake up like at 7 or 8 in the morning, but this is a late day. I normally start taking clients like at 1:45 because I have other things to do during the day that I take advantage of. So, and I have my daughter today because I just wanted to look at her, take care of her because she wasn't feeling so good, but she's feeling all right now. She's feeling so much better. All right, and then when I come in here, I just turn on all the lights. And we turn on, oh wait, I gotta turn on the light. Got a mess back here, but I gotta turn on my air. And I think I'm gonna do 72. Don't need that. I think this is trash. Oh, we still have some left. But anyway, this is how I have it set up on this little corner. Got my mirror, and I have a little couch, and then I have some retail on this side. And I have a sign that says, "You will be blessed when you come in and blessed when you go out," which is so cute. And then I have more retail over here, which is just like lash serum things, and my business card, and some brushes. And over here I have a clean swoop, the breakdown, oil remover, lash bath. Sorry if you can't hear me, I had my hand on the little speaker, and lash bath cleanser. Then I got some books from Amazon. The chair also from Amazon. This one I got from Target, but then we spray painted it. And then the mirror is from Walmart. The plant is from Amazon. And then I got these little things up here from Amazon. They're so cute. And then we have our green wall. And this one is from AliExpress, which is a pretty good size. So if you wanted to get one from Amazon or Etsy, they would be more expensive. So that's why I got it from AliExpress. And then this is our lash bed. I'm about to clean it up. And these are some lash cases I ordered in bulk to store lash extensions in. Let me see. And I'm gonna order some stickers to put with our logo to stick on them, but these will be all wholesale. But anyway, I'm gonna clean up. But I do have my little sink over here, have my barbicide ready, and I already cleaned my tools and my tweezers as well. So I love this little thing, it's super cute. And I just have my soap, my little container for dirty tweezers, and my barbicide. Just cleaned up some trash that I had there. And this is my sink. I'm just gonna put a disinfecting wipe all over the bed. Okay, and I'm just gonna mop with my little Swifter. Just want to make sure everything's clean. Okay, so I'm currently waiting for my client to come. I don't know what to show you guys. Oh yeah, we're gonna be restocking our Nova wax and our warmer. So let's go ahead and do that. It's always so satisfying to do. So I just grabbed one. Oh my goodness, how is my hair like such a mess already? So I just grabbed one of these little cups, and that's what I use to pour it. I know you can get a little scoop, but I don't have any, so. Oh my god, guys, this smells so good. It smells so good. So this one is the fragrant. It has the fragrance, and it's silver. So that's another thing that is so beautiful about it, is that it's silver. This one is for sensitive skin, delicate, and it has a white floral scent. This one's the micro beads. They also have the bars that you can do. So I'm gonna pour this one inside, but the second one I'll show you guys. Okay, I'm gonna try not to drop this. But anyway. Do you guys see this? How beautiful is this? Like the color. I'm obsessed. Okay. So I normally have this to, what is it, 50 when it's in face mode, but to melt I'm gonna turn it up all the way to 80 Celsius, which I know 50 is about 100 and something, 170 maybe, I'm not 100. Okay, and then some things I have down here, I have some masks, and then I have extra pair of gloves. I have the satin cleanser, which smells divine, and I have the remover, which leaves the skin so smooth and shiny. And I have the Ola Skin, which relieves the skin. Like, all my clients love that. And then I have a lot of little, what are they called? And then I have my cotton little things down here. Still, like, it just depends. When I have a client, I take like a small amount that I'm going to use that specific day. Let me cover this up. But I normally get about this much out for a client. And then if I'm doing eyebrows, I get about this out. I know it might be excessive, but that's me. That's just me. And it's still warming up. Oh, but you can see that it's like going down. Ooh, do you guys see that? Do you guys see that? So pretty. Anyway, back here I just have like the essentials that I normally need, which is like my little fan, my lens, some gum, some AirPods, some wipes, and some alcohol. I need a refill, but I like this glass bottle. And I also have a mirror so clients can look at their lashes or skin or waxing or whatever. And then I have some alcohol wipes right here. And I also have my cavity wipes, but they don't fit here or in my little cart, so I have them in my other room. So I'm currently setting up for my client. We're doing a lash set today because that's what she likes. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut down the tape that I'm gonna be using for her under eye area before she comes. So I normally cut in 4 pieces for the under eye area. And I use a scissor just because those lines are straighter, and when you take pictures it looks a lot better. So I'm gonna do 4 of those pieces. You know, since I use so much tape with a client, I only use 4 pieces per client, but since I have a lot of clients, sorry about my hair, but since I have a lot of clients, look, I'm like down to a little bit. So I do have, I do stock up, you know, just in case. And I am having, I'm gonna put down here my lashes. So I have my own lash brand. We're actually working on a new logo design, so that's not gonna be our logo design, but I am working, let me set my hair out. I am working on a new design, but this is how they look. So I have, these are single ones that I'm gonna use because my client likes them short. So I brought out the, where's my 9mm? Okay, I brought out my 9mm, my 10mm, my 11mm, and my 12mm. These are 0.5 cc curls. They're currently my favorite curl and thickness right now when it comes to doing that wet classic lash look. So yeah, I'm gonna bring out my lashes real soon. These were the samples, but we changed the logo, but I love the lashes. The lashes, we did not change at all. But anyway, back here I set it up because I only have 1 cart and I have my waxing material in the cart. So I'm outside the door. Okay, my client's here, but I put the lash stuff in the back. Let me go get her and I'll be right back. And close them for me and open them. Okay, so now I'm working on basically a full set, and we're doing volume lashes. And my last client of the day. Okay, and this is the finished product. So pretty. Okay everyone, so I am done for today. I just finished cleaning up, and so I had 2 clients, but I did 3 services. So my first client, I did a touch-up and a brow wax, and my second client, I did basically almost a full set, but I took like an hour because that's normally the time limit we have. And yeah, I hope you guys liked watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. It was definitely out of my comfort zone, but I had a lot of fun doing it today, and I will definitely be sharing more. So I have an event this Saturday, so I'll be definitely sharing. It's called the brow wax event that I'm having, and I am just having brow laminations, waxes, and tints. And we're having that event going on from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So if you want to do something like that, I highly recommend it. You do get a lot of clients from it, and it's nice to promote your business and then have others promote your business too. You can do a free event, but this is my second event that I'm doing, and I am charging. So yeah. Thanks for watching.